A very good morning to all of you. I once again welcome you back to the class of English. I hope you have had a good weekend and celebrated the festival of Raksha Bandhan with lot of joy and happiness. So, let's get back to our studies. We have already completed chapter 1, the explanation part, and I have also shared the notes of the chapter, and I hope that you all must have completed your work in your fair copies. So today the chapter that I am going to start is titled The Thief's Story, written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is a very popular and a very eminent author. He used to live in India. He has authored a lot of books. So I would like all of you to read about him so that you can develop a familiarity with the writer's style of writing. So I'll quickly give you an introduction of the chapter, that what this chapter actually talks about. So it's a very simple story of two people who are complete strangers to each other, and one fine day at some place they just happen to meet each other. One of them is a thief and the other one is a writer. Now this thief is a very artful thief. He is very proficient in his profession of stealing. Whereas on the other hand, the writer, the author, he is actually trying hard to substantiate his living. So when they meet one day, this thief tries to approach the writer so that they can get along and become good acquaintances. But the writer did not like the idea very much and he kind of ignored. But the thief insisted and then they got along. The writer gave him space to live in his house and he told him that on one condition he can let him in, and that is he will have to cook the food for both of them, because as I will start reading the story and instances will come, you will come to know and see that the thief just said very simply that he only want somebody to feed him and then he can do anything for that person. So the writer said that I can only allow you to stay with me if you can cook for both of us, feed both of us. So this is how the two got along, and the writer not only gave him space in his house, but gradually you will see as the story will proceed that the thief became an indispensable part of writer's life. He not only just taught him how to cook, but he also taught him how to read and write. So now let's start with the story. I was still a thief when I met Anil, and though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. He was about 25, a tall, lean fellow, and he looked easygoing, kind, and simple enough for my purpose. I hadn't had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. So they met at a wrestling match, and the protagonist here is narrating the story. That is the main character of the story, the thief. He is narrating the story and he says that he is only 15 years old and he met Anil who was 25 years old. And by his physical appearance, he felt that he can easily win Anil's confidence. You look a bit of a wrestler yourself, I said. A little flattery helps in making friends. And everybody has some or the other pickup line when they first interact with each other. So pickup line is a line which starts the conversation, which picks up the conversation between two people. So he started by saying that you look bit of a wrestler, although we have just read in the lines above that he was very lean and simple. Lean means thin, not very healthy physically. So do you, He replied, which put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather thin. And he thought that ये इतना साधारण सा पतला दुबला सा सिंपल सा आदमी है दिखने में, और मैं तो एक एक्सपर्ट थीफ हूँ, तो क्या हुआ अगर मेरी उम्र 15 साल है और ये 25 साल का है, इसका कॉन्फिडेंस मैं आराम से जीत लूँगा. तो ऑथर का, नरेटर का सॉरी, ये इंटेंशन था जब वो अनिल से मिले. अनिल ने उनको उनके सवाल का जवाब देते हुए बिल्कुल चारों खाने चित कर दिया कि हाँ, देख के तो तुम्हें भी ऐसा ही लग रहा है, सो डू यू लुक. और वो दोनों ही फिज़िकली बहुत ही थिन और स्लिम ट्रिम थे, रेसलर्स वाली बॉडी उनकी नहीं थी. वेल, आई सेड मॉडेस्टली, आई डू रेसल अ बिट. एंड द नरेटर सेड कि हाँ तो ठीक है, मैं भी थोड़ी बहुत रेसलिंग कर लेता हूँ. व्हाट्स योर नेम? अनिल आस्क्ड. हरी सिंह, आई लाइड. I took a new name every month that kept me ahead of the police and my former employers. Being a thief, उसका काम ही ये था कि ऐसे लोगों को ढूंढना या ऐसे सिंपल काइंड लोगों को फंसाना, उनका कॉन्फिडेंस जीतना और बाद में उन्हीं को रॉब करके भाग जाना. तो इसलिए वो हर महीने एक नया नाम अपना रख लेता था ताकि पुलिस उसको पकड़ ना पाए और उसका पुराना एम्प्लॉयर भी उसको ना पकड़ पाए. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestlers who were grunting, lifting and throwing each other about. I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. और इन सब नाम वाम पूछने की फॉर्मेलिटी के बाद थोड़ी सी बातें उन लोगों ने रेसलर्स के बारे में करी और उसके बाद अनिल ने कुछ खास इंटरेस्ट ना दिखाते हुए अपना रास्ता पकड़ा एंड ही स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग. सो दिस now so-called Hari Singh, the narrator, the thief, he started following him casually. Hello again, he said. I gave him my most appealing smile. I want to work for you, I said, but I can't pay you. And when he noticed that Anil is not really interested in him, he persuaded him. He followed him and said that I want to work for you, so if you can give me some work. So Anil very politely said that I don't have money, I won't be able to pay you at all.